Assalamualaikum everyone. In our last video, we learned how to check whether a keyword or niche is valuable or not. For that, we check the search volume using keyword everywhere. And then we check the trend of that keyword on trends.google.com. Now let's suppose our keyword has both a good search volume and trend. The next question is, can we actually build a website on that keyword or not? To find that out, we perform something called a SERP analysis. In today's video, I will explain what things we analyze in SERP and how to do it step by step. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe now so you don't miss any upcoming SEO videos. Alright, let's get started. Now let's perform the SERP analysis. Here's what we will do. We will paste our keyword into Google search bar. Once we search it, we will see different results appear on the SERP. Now the extension we installed in the previous lecture will come in handy. The first thing we do in a SERP analysis is check the domain authority. We need to identify how many sites have a low DA. DA 55, that's too high, and it's a government site of Turkey, so let's skip it. Next, HEC DA 54, also high. Move ahead. DA 32, DA 65, DA 31, DA 55, DA 55, DA 9, that's a good DA. DA 34, high as well. As you can see, most websites have a high DA, but there is only one website here with a DA of 9. Let's say I only want to focus on websites with a DA less than 20. Then I have just one competitor with DA 9. But if I decide to compete with slightly bigger sites like those with a DA less than 40, then I have about 3 websites with a DA around 30. This entire process is called SERP analysis. It helps us understand whether competing for that keyword is easy or tough, especially for a new site. Remember what I told you earlier. Every niche can have one keyword, but not every keyword can define a niche. Now that our first step of SERP analysis, checking DA, is done, let's move on the next step. Next, we will identify which websites on the SERP can be replaced, like if we create better content or our website can easily rank and earn from it. We will look for direct competitors. Here we use two important terms, replicate and replace. Replicate means to take inspiration from an existing website and build a similar site. For example, Urdu Point is performing well, and I create a website similar to that. I am replicating it. Replace means identifying a weak site that's ranking on the SERP and confidently aiming to outperform it, ensure to replace it. For example, the site we just saw with a DA of 9, I am confident I can replace that one with my own. Now you can see that one of the website has a very high domain authority, and it's actually a government website from Turkey. Competing with such a strong authority site is extremely difficult. This part is a little bit tricky because here we have to think logically about the intent behind our keyword. If a keyword is informational, the intent is definitely knowledge based. But in this case, the intent is commercial because services are being sold here. If a product or service has high demand like this, you can easily earn 5 to 10 lakh rupees from it. Now, if I ask what kind of business model is being applied on this website, the answer is selling services. And with some effort, you can even do affiliate marketing here. How? Create a website, rank it, and then redirect your visitors to a company that offers the same services. You will earn a commission per lead. Let's assume your website gets 1,000 visitors and only 1% convert. If one client gives you even 1 lakh rupee, then 10 clients would make you 10 lakh rupees. Of course, this is just an estimation, not an exact figure, but it shows the business potential. So, when your business model is service based or affiliate based, you can even settle for low traffic because one high paying client can cover all your efforts and give you strong profits. Along with this, let me also share a business idea with you. In Pakistan, most companies don't spend money on advertising or invest in SEO. And that's exactly where a big opportunity is created for us. So, why not rank a website related to overseas education and then sell leads? For example, we can approach study abroad and say, earlier your website was ranking, but now my site is ranking. If you want leads, I can send you verified student. Then you can charge per lead. For example, 10,000 rupees, 50,000, or even 60,000 rupees per lead, depending on the business model. This means you can earn simply by selling leads to company that needs client. Now you understand this is just one simple business idea, but there are many more possibilities once you learn SEO deeply. Okay, let's move forward. The next thing which is the number of visits the sites are getting. Now we will check and open that website which has a low DA but decent traffic. That's me having good visitor numbers. First website is the Turkish Scholarship Government website. Has a very high DA and a lot of visits. So we can't compete with that right now. It's too strong to replace or replicate. Similarly, the HEC website has a very high DA and visit. So let's move. All these websites have high DA and lot of traffic, high visitors. We just found a site that has a low DA and traffic is also good. This website has a DA of just 9, which is the lowest among all, but still its traffic is good. That's exactly what we were looking for. Now we have found one website that we can replicate, meaning we can create a similar site to generate leads and earn good profit. I am going to open this website because it's a weak website. Low DA means domain authority weak. The higher the DA, the stronger the website. So now we will check what exactly this website is doing. Despite having low DA, how is it still getting so many visits? Is it selling leads, running ads, or doing affiliate marketing? Let's open it and analyze it together to see what's really happening behind the scenes. Now, as you can see, whether someone visits this website, they will directly guide you to fill out a form. The website has also displayed contact details like email and phone number, so any visitor can easily reach out through WhatsApp or email without any hassle. And remember, whenever someone contacts you or fill out a form, that's called a lead. They have also created separate categories for study abroad services, added blogs, and placed strong call to action button like book an appointment or apply now right beside their brand name, which helps in capturing leads effectively. They even included a table of content, and if someone doesn't understand the process, there is a YouTube video embedded on the page for guidance. Plus, they have added FAQs and linked all their social media platforms. So basically, they have covered everything needed to generate maximum leads. Interestingly, there are no ads running on this site, yet they are still making money just through lead generation. How cool is it? Every part of the website is strategically designed for conversion, from contact info to contact structure. So, to summarize it, DA 9, low authority but performing well, business model, selling services directly, target country Pakistan, niche study abroad.